Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to take full page screenshots in Chrome. So to start, open Chrome and go to the search bar and search for anything that comes to your mind. For example, I'm going to search for apple.com. So click on this link, the first one in the list.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
So let's say I want to take a screenshot of this full page, all of this. So I'm just going to right click anywhere in the page. Then scroll down and click on inspect right here. Click on that. So once you click that, it will show a dashboard at the right side. Now at the top beside elements, so you'll see this icon right here that looks like a computer and a phone. So click on that. So once you do that, a three dots will appear. So click on that. So click the three dots and right here you have more options. So click capture full size screenshot. Okay, make sure you capture full size screenshot and not capture screenshot only. So click capture full size screenshot, and so as you can see, it's working on it. May take a few minutes if the page is quite long. Once done, the download icon will be highlighted and you can open the folder to show the file. So open the file and there is the screenshot of the full page. You can zoom it in and you can see it clearly. So you can see everything. So let's try another example. So let's say, for example, Reddit. So I just search for Reddit. I'm gonna open it. So if we scroll down here, so the page is too long, right? With a lot of content, different content from different users. So I want to screenshot all of that. So again, right click anywhere in the page, then scroll down and click on inspect, then click this icon. So click the device toolbar icon, then click the three dots, then choose capture full size screenshot. And it will be downloaded to your computer. So just wait for it. Again, it will take a few minutes if the page is quite long. So once done, the download icon will be highlighted. And it's done, so let's open it. So there you go, there is the full screenshot from Reddit website. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.